नमस्ते, खुश रहो बिटिया। आई JVN डॉक्टर अशोक कुमार जैन, FPD डिपार्टमेंट from Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur, Rajasthan. Now today's topic is Guillain-Barré syndrome, yani GBS syndrome. Definition: it is a disorder in which the body immune system attack part of the peripheral nervous system. It is an acute, progressive, autoimmune, inflammatory demyelination of polyneuropathy of the peripheral sensory and motor nerve and nerve root. Incidence: 1 to 2 cases per 1 lakh people annually. Men are more and half time more likely to be affected than women. It is the most common cause of acute non-trauma related paralysis in the world. The syndrome is named after the French physician Georges Guillain and Jean-Alexandre Barre and Stroll, who described it in 1916. Classification: acute inflammatory demyelinating polyneuropathy, most common autoimmune response and against Schwann cell. Number 2, Miller-Fisher syndrome, rare variant manifested as a descending paralysis, usually affected the eye muscles first and present with the trade of ophthalmoplegia, ataxia, and reflexia. Number third, acute motor axonal neuropathy, also known as Chinese paralytic syndrome, attack more node of Ranvier and is prevalent in China and Mexico. Acute motor sensory axonal neuropathy, similar to AMAN, affected the sensory with with several axonal damage. Number fifth, acute pneumotic neuropathy. It is the most rare variant of GBS, sometimes accompanied by encephalopathy. Frequently occurring symptoms include impaired sweating, lack of tear formation, photophobia, dryness of nasal and oral mucosa, itching and peeling of skin, nausea, dysphagia, and constipation, unrelieved by laxative or alternative with diarrhea. Initial non-specific symptoms of lethargy, fatigue, headache, and decreased initiative are followed by autonomic symptoms, including orthostatic lightheadedness, lightheadedness, blurring of vision, abdominal pain, diarrhea, dryness of eyes, and disturbed micturition. Baker-Staff brainstem encephalitis (BBE). It is characterized by acute onset of ophthalmoplegia, ataxia, disturbance of consciousness, hyperflexia, large irregular hypertense lesion located mainly in the brainstem, especially in the bone, midbrain, and medulla, are described in the literature. Clinical feature: the first symptom of Guillain-Barré syndrome is pain, progressive muscle weakness, diminished reflex or lower extremities, prickling, tingling sensation, low blood pressure, paresthesia, tenderness, and muscles pain, dysesthesia and muscle spasm, palpitation, heart rate change, sweating abnormalities, cardiac arrhythmias, neuromuscular respiratory failure, difficulty in eye movement, facial movement, speaking, chewing, or swallowing. Diagnostic evaluation. Number first, medical history. Number second, physical examination, and number third, test. Nerve conduction study करें, CSF examination, cerebrospinal fluid examination, electromyography, electrocardiography, pulmonary function test, progressive weakness in leg and arm, areflexia, feature that strongly supported diagnosis are progressive of symptom over day to 4 week. Relatively symmetry symptoms, mild secondary symptoms, sign, cranial nerve involvement. Medical treatment, plasmapheresis, high dose immunoglobulin therapy, mechanical ventilator, pain control, supportive care. Prognosis start after the fourth week from the onset. Approximately 80% of patients have a complete recovery. Nursing management treatment is non-specific and symptomatic. Observe continuously for adequate of respiratory effort. Continuous ECG monitoring. Supporting nursing care measure indicate by the patient degree of paralysis. Residual effort are rare, but prolonged flaccid paralysis lead to muscle atrophy, required rehabilitation and physiotherapy.